Scientists believe 4 hostile civilizations may lurk in our Milky Way. New research shows that out of the millions of possibly habitable planets in the Milky Way, about 4 of them may house wicked alien civilizations that would conquer Earth if they could. The new unreviewed research raises an intriguing prospect. What are the chances that humans would make contact with an extraterrestrial civilization capable of invading Earth? But before we continue, be sure to subscribe to our channel Future Collective for more amazing videos just like this one. With that out of the way, let's get to it. Alberto Caballero, a conflict resolution PhD student at Spain's University of Vigo, set out to answer this question by first examining human history and then turning to the heavens. To get at his estimate, Caballero first counted the number of countries that attacked other countries between 1915 and 2022. In his research, he discovered that during that time span, 51 of the world's 195 countries had invaded another country. The United States ranked first, with a total of 14 invasions over that time. The likelihood of invasion by each country was then weighted according to its share in total military spending. Once again, the United States topped that list with 38% of total military expenditures. Caballero calculated the present human likelihood of invasion by an alien civilization by adding the chances of invasion for each country and then dividing by the number of nations on Earth. The model also estimates a current probability of 0.028% for human invasion of another habitable planet. However, as Caballero pointed out, this probability is based on the existing level of human civilization, and as it stands, humanity doesn't have the technology necessary for interplanetary travel. Using the Kardashev scale, Caballero determined that if the current rate of technological progress continues, interstellar travel won't be achievable for another 259 years. And the probability of invasion by an extraterrestrial civilization is around 2 orders of magnitude lower than the probability of a planet-killer asteroid collision. Asteroid collisions, like the one that wiped out the dinosaurs, are 1 in 100 million year events. Caballero's research is very fascinating, although he recognizes the limits of his approach. The likelihood of an invasion is predicted on a very specific period of human history and relies heavily on assumptions about our species and their trajectory into the future. The model also assumes, contrary to what may be the case, that alien intelligence would have brain compositions, values, and perceptions of empathy comparable to those of humans, which is something that Caballero thinks is highly unlikely. I wrote the study using just real-world examples, he explained. We have no idea what aliens are thinking. Although if human invasions continue to decrease over the next 259 years at the same rate as they have over the last 50 years, an average of minus 1.15% per year, according to Caballero, then our species has a 0.0014% chance of invading another planet when we potentially become an interstellar or Type 1 civilization. It's true that the odds are low, but they improve dramatically when you consider the millions of Earth-like planets in our galaxy. On estimate, around 15,785 potential extraterrestrial civilizations might exist alongside humanity in the galaxy. Based on his research, Caballero determined that just 0.22% of Type 1 civilizations would be hostile toward humans upon first contact. According to what Caballero told Vice News, the number of hostile neighbors rises to 4.42 when non-interstellar traveling civilizations like our own are taken into consideration. Because, number one, we don't know if all the civilizations in the galaxy are exactly like us, and number two, it would be premature to assume that the 4.42 civilizations are like us. Since we lack the means to visit other worlds and establish an army, our culture is not likely to pose a danger to any others. It doesn't seem like much to worry about if there are just 4 extraterrestrial powers actively hostile to Earth. Furthermore, Caballero noted that the likelihood of humans making contact with one of these hostile civilizations and subsequently being invaded is quite low. With that, our video has come to an end here. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel Future Collective and hit that bell icon for more future-related content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.